Hello guys, I am Alexander. Can somebody tell me why I'm leaving the comfort of my home to go in the bush? Today we're going on camping guys. I'm going to take you on a journey with me. So come along while we go on our camping journey. And so our journey takes us along the Newcastle main road. For anyone who have never been driven on the Newcastle main road, it is a very dangerous road. A lot of drop off, a lot of slippery. It is one of the most petrified roads you could ever see. And to top it all off, it is very narrow. You have to navigate properly and you have to be one of the most experienced driver to drive on this road. But if you can look past all the bend, the narrowness, and all the precipice on your left or right side going up or down, it is a beautiful sight to see. Looking over the bank, you can see coffee. Raw Blue Mountain Jamaican coffee. That's where most of it grow on the hillside. Also along the route, there's some lovely shop, lovely color, bright, vibrant, and also beautiful people. On our journey, we could not stop because we was pressing for time and we already leave late. So we only decided to make one stop, and that one stop would be at the Jamaica Defense Force training camp. Here's a quick lesson about the Newcastle history from my AI.
The Newcastle Training Depot, founded in 1841 by Major General Sir William Maynard Gom, later Field Marshal. Gom, a veteran of the wars against revolutionary France and Lieutenant Governor of Jamaica from 1840 to 1841, relentlessly badgered the War Office in London to establish a mountain station for British soldiers in Jamaica soon after taking up his post. The idea of the Hill Station was first raised by Gom in a letter dated April 7, 1840 to Governor Sir Charles Metcalfe. Gom pointed out that, while Up Park Camp was an ideal location for a barracks, it was subject to the ravages of yellow fever. In Jamaica, the British garrison was stationed on the plain at Up Park Camp, Stony Hill, Fort Augusta and Port Royal. Here, on the average, one soldier died every 2.5 days.
So we push along after our photo taking at the Newcastle depot, but nature has something in store for us. Along the route, one side of the have totally collapsed over on the road, and so we have to navigate ourselves to make our vehicle cross by not going over the precipice. As you can see, it is very deep. Not to worry, we arrive at HOLYWELL safe and sound, just in time for the sun to go down. Those are two of my friends, Kerry and Kim. So there is no one at the security post. That means we're very late. So we're just going to drive in. The road is very bad, but this is a campsite basically. And here is where we checked in. So we have to check in to the grounds people to let them know that we arrived, and so that they will look for our campsite and also our tent to bring to us. And we're just going to. Today we are outdoor and we are in the cool hills of Newcastle next to Blue Mountain Peak. We are going to camp out in HOLYWELL. We already prepare ourselves for the coldness, but not this cold because guys, as you can see behind me, that's fog. That means it is very, very cold. So we have a long night ahead of us and we will show you a lot as we go along through the night. It is a night. It's going to be a camping out, so we will camp out and see what's going on tonight. Alright guys?
What's up guys, we're on HOLYWELL. Camping vibes. First snack of the camping.
So the first rule of camping, you need to have snacks, right? So while we wait for our tents to come, we just watch the sun go down, which is a beautiful sight to see. So we're just going to take in these beautiful sights. This is a campsite, guys. As you can see, you get a space with somebody else on it. So we wanted to start our campfire, or we want to start our fire for our chicken to be jerked. Tents arrive, and lucky for us, they was going to set up themselves. That was less stress for us. Wait on them to set up that tent, we continue jerking our chicken or somewhat dinner for the night. Already we have tent 1 and tent 2, which comprise tent 1 is the green one, which is 2 person, or more like 3 person, and the next one is for 4 person. So unlike the tent is getting along, it's coming along nicely, just like our chicken is coming along nicely also. Some snack, sausages and bread and some wine and some good old Jamaican rum from Appetite. So basically after our fun time in the night was complete, it's bedtime. So I'll see you in the morning, guys. Bye. So after a cold night of sleep, it was very cold. I could not move from that one warm spot, but we survived, and it's now morning. The sun is coming out, and I'm going to go for a walk in the track. I'm not going to go very far. I'm just going to walk around the track and come back and prepare breakfast for myself. My friends are already gone down to the restaurant, because there's a restaurant on the site, a restaurant on the compound where you can go and buy breakfast or lunch if you're there for the weekend. But I'm here for the camp experience, so I'm going to do my own breakfast. So morning, guys, and I'm still on my 24-hour camping trip in the Blue Mountain Peak area. Right now we are on one of the trail that we are climbing up to the mountain. So this 24-hour trip continue. So stay tuned for more. So what I'll be having for breakfast is tuna and bread. So I have my little camp utensil and my little camp stove right here. It doesn't take a rocket science to prepare tuna fish. Tuna is already come prepared in a tin, and that is what I'll be using this morning for breakfast. After preparing my tuna fish, I then rinse out the same pan to make tea. Wow, look at it guys, so beautiful. This is breakfast. I use the same stove to grill the bread, so you can see that nice rich color on the bread. This is breakfast for me. Just gonna add a little ketchup. And as well, I still have some overnight chicken, where I just put aside with it. And this is breakfast guys. This camping trip was a great experience. It takes you out of your element if you have never been camped before, and it's something that you should try, or everyone should have tried. At least once in your life, just go outside in the open air for a night or two and enjoy yourself. If I would go back next time, yes, but I will be better prepared because camping is very great and it is good for the environment and also great for your body too. So guys, remember, like my video, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video when they are being posted. Thanks for watching. I am Alexander. Remember, stay clean, stay safe, and enjoy your day.